Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect a custom domain to your Webflow website. First of all, log into your Webflow account, go to your project and click on project settings. Now head over to the hosting tab, find hosting tab from your uh, dashboard or click add custom domain from publish section. Now enter your custom domains here, for example example.com or www.example.com. Webflow will now give you DNS records. Copy the A records usually to IP addresses and the CNAME record for www. Log into your domain provider like Hostinger. Go to DNS manager and add records for pointing to Webflow's IPs, CNAME record for www pointing to proxyssl.webflow.com. Back in Webflow and click check status. Once the domain is verified, hit publish to push your site live. Done. Your Webflow site is now live with your custom domain. Thanks for watching.